Have you ever dreamed of starting over in California? What does life really look like here for someone starting fresh? Let me show you. In this video I'll take you on a tour in beautiful Long Beach. I'll tell you what surprised me when I just immigrated, and I'll give you some tips how to adapt to new reality if you're planning to move to United States or California. Stick around and you'll discover a hidden gem in Long Beach, perfect for relaxing and recharging. My top 3 tips for adapting to life in America, and an inspiring story that might encourage you to take the leap on your own journey. Long Beach is more than just a beach. It's a place where people come to relax, reflect and find inspiration. Whether it's the waves crashing against the shore or the vibrant community here, this city has a unique vibe that captures your heart. When I first moved here, I didn't know what to expect. But one thing I quickly learned is that success in a new place isn't just about where you live, it's about how you approach it. My advice: always look for hidden gems like this to recharge your energy and find clarity. Adjusting to life in a new country isn't easy. Here are 3 tips that helped me. First, learn the local rules. For example, while California has amazing free beaches, parking can be tricky. Plan ahead. Second, find a community. Whether it's online or in person, connecting with like-minded people can make all the difference. And third, explore often. Some of the best experiences I've had here were in places found by accident. Why am I here? Because life is an adventure. Every day in the United States reminds me that we're capable of so much more than we believe. What's your dream? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear it. If you're into exploring hidden gems, learning practical tips and hearing inspiring stories, subscribe to that channel. Let's build a community of dreamers and adventurers together. And don't forget to hit that bell for more inspiration every day. In the morning it was cold and cloudy, but then just in an hour the clouds went away. They look like covered mountains of snow. They almost vertical. It's so beautiful. And the temperature is the best temperature ever. I guess right now it's 72 degrees. It's the best temperature for your mental health and for your overall health.